What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see by the title, we have the Pearl Pink Air Jordan 12s. Alright, so before we get into the video, make sure y'all keep subscribing on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing. We have the Air Jordan 12 video, Taxi 12s. So make sure y'all go watch that video. It's out right now. And also on the phone posit video, I did misspeak and say Allen Iverson wore the shoes. I don't know where I got that from. So just forget you even heard that, okay? All right, now let's get into the review. This is the box that it comes in. This is a grade school, preschool, and toddler release only, so it does not come in women. It does not come in men. It's not full family. It says Pearl Pink, medium soft pink. Y'all know I love pink, so y'all already know I'm gonna love these shoes. This is how they come wrapped. I'm gonna make this a quick review for y'all, so we're just gonna go over the details real quick. As you can see, it looks white, but it's not. It's like a very, very light pink. It's a very, very light pearlish pink color. So make sure y'all don't end up with those mock-ups. It's like a hot pink. It's not. This is the legit shoe. As you can see on the midsole, we have a light pink color. Got a pink Jumpman tab, a darker shade of pink. The laces are pink. Eyelets are pink. So I know that they used to use metal for the eyelets, but now they're starting to use plastic. They were complaining about those on Taxi 12s as well. So how do y'all feel about that? I would honestly rather the metal. I mean, you can't really tell, but when you like touch it or like really look at it, it is a difference. And then when you factor in price, the price is going up, but the materials are just getting worse. So I don't really like that. I'm spending my hard-earned money on these shoes. Y'all need to be putting some metal, some good quality materials so these shoes last long. I'm interested to see how long like the newer drops or like the redrops will last as opposed to the older ones. Depending on the person, a lot of shoes are kept well. Like I know we did the 11s video, the Legend Blue 11s. Those shoes were kept well. So I'm interested to see how these shoes do, being that they use cheaper materials now. But let's get back into the video. I said it was gonna be quick. This is the tongue, has a pink embroidered jump band. We have pink sock lining, pink heel tab. It says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And then we have the 23 on the back. This is the bottom. These do come out November 21st. Again, grade school, preschool, and toddler only. Grade school is about $155. So that's what y'all looking at. This is a great Christmas gift. I know I'm a pink lover, so I'll probably love these for Christmas. Your girlfriend, if she wear grade school, your kids. This is a great shoe for your kids for sure. So I would definitely cop these for the kids. It's something different as well, being that the color, the solid color is on the midsole. But yeah, y'all, this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, that Taxi 12 video is out, so make sure y'all go watch this video. And yeah, peace.
When you beat the body in a studio, they say